Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the important currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZD USD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 8 March 2021, Monday. Okay. So this analysis for Monday only. I'll be coming again on Tuesday with Tuesday's analysis. So let's jump to the chart. You can see that I have marked two levels on the chart. The first level is a 0.7100. Okay, this level on the downside and this range. Okay, 7268, 0.7268 and 0.7300 on the upside. So you can see the market was in uptrend. Okay, market was in uptrend, and after that there was this big fall. Market took consolidation, market took rest for a while, and after that market started falling again. And if you watch my previous videos, you do remember or, or hopefully remember that I mentioned that there is a good support available at this level, 7100 level, and market has taken support at the level. Okay, so this level is very crucial for the market as of now. So if on Monday market opens gap up, okay, if market opens somewhere around here or here, then you do not need to trade because this is not your area of value. Suppose you execute your buy order here, okay, then your stop loss will be somewhere around here, and your take profit will be here. So your risk to reward ratio does not match. Okay, so this is not your area of value. Your area of value will be either in this level or in this level. For that, you need to wait. Okay, if market or if you find the market around this level, 7100 level, then you just observe how the price is reacting. If there is some good price rejection, if you can observe that yes, the support is still valid, it is not allowing the market to go down, okay, it is about to take reversal, then you can go ahead and buy. Okay, just try to understand the market psychology. Okay, if market tries to reverse, then easily you can go for a buy order in this or near about 7100. On the other hand, if market goes up and after reaching this point, if you see that okay, market has hit this level and right now market is getting some price rejection from above like this, see, or if you spot some good shooting star kind of a pattern, okay, then you can short the market here, okay, or you can short the market here also. This zone is your no kind of a no trading zone or no buy zone. At least you can only short the market here, or if possible just observe the how price reacts in this particular zone around 0.7300 level. So this is your first level and this is your second level where you need to observe the market and execute the order carefully. If market reverses from here, buy. If it doesn't, then observe the market. If market goes up and comes down, then we can short the market here. Similarly, if market crosses this first level and reverses from this level, you can short the market here. Okay. And surprisingly, if market crosses this level, okay, this level, then it's kind of a breakout. Then you just allow the market to trade above 7300 level for at least 1 hour. Let the resistance become the support. Let the price trade above the resistance comfortably. Then after 1 hour, 1.5 hours, when this resistance will be the support, then you can go for a buy order. Okay, so these are the strategies that you can use for Monday 8 March 2021 for New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and please give a thumbs up. And you can also check the forex analysis playlist on my channel if you want to see the analysis of other currency pairs. Okay, and if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you on Tuesday.